Hi, this is Les Puryear, and today we're going to learn how to record the screen on your Mac. It's a very simple procedure, and we'll screen record without any additional software. There's a program built into your Mac called QuickTime, and that's the tool we're going to use to record the screen. So the first thing we have to do is to get QuickTime. So we'll go up to our Spotlight search tool at the top of the screen, and then we enter QuickTime. The search will find QuickTime Player, and the QuickTime app will be highlighted, so we click on it to open the program. Now at the top left-hand corner, we'll see that the QuickTime Player is open. So now we need to click on File, and on the drop-down menu, we see an item, New Screen Recording. So click on that, and a bar appears down at the bottom right-hand side. On the left side of the bar is the capture bar. And this means I can take a screenshot of the entire screen or selected window or a portion of the screen. On the right side of the bar are the screen recording options. I can record the entire screen or just a portion of the screen. You have some options you can choose. I just leave them alone. I don't change them. So to record the screen, select the entire screen and then record. On the top bar, you will see a circle which indicates that you are recording. When you want to stop recording, you depress the circle and the recording will stop. So now, let's record something. I want to change the background. Some people call it wallpaper on my Mac, and use this recording to make a video about how to change the background on my Mac. So I'll open QuickTime, File, New Screen Recording, and I want to record the entire screen. So now I push record. I know I'm recording on my screen because we see we have this circle at the top of my screen. To change the background, I'm going to right click on the screen and a menu appears. One of the items says change desktop background. Now the desktop and screensaver part of the system preferences appear. And there are several different types of backgrounds that I can choose. I can have a dynamic desktop background. What dynamic means is that whenever, say, I click on this one, it will change according to the time of day if you leave it on dynamic. Now I can have it have light or I can have it dark. If I just want to let it change itself, I'll hit the dynamic. And it's the same way for all of these. And you also have some others down here, light and dark. I can make it automatic. I can change it to light. I can change it to dark. Go to automatic. Now, what I do is I come down to my desktop pictures. So this is the desktop I normally use, but there are other options here. I can choose all kinds of photos that are already built into the Mac. So these are the desktop pictures. If I want to have one of my own pictures, I can go down to where it says pictures at the bottom here. And you notice that I have uploaded some pictures. So what I want to do is I want to add this picture of the Sea of Galilee. What I'll do is I'll click this plus sign and it will open up a screen where I can select my picture. So I go down and I see the Sea of Galilee and I'll choose that one. So now I have the Sea of Galilee as an option. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now notice I can fill the screen with this, fit to the screen, stretch to fill the screen, or I can put it in the center. So I want to fill the whole screen up with this backdrop. So now I've got the Sea of Galilee as the background on my desktop. So once I've made the decision on my new background, I close the desktop and screensaver window. Now that I've completed my video, I turn off the screen recording by pressing the circle at the top. The recording will have a file name such as screen recording, and then the date and the time, .mov. The activity of my screen are now saved as a video. We'll go ahead and close that. And now we see screen recording down here. So I can open this up as a video, say in CapCut, or you can use iMovie or anything else like that. And I'm going to create a project. I can click on the video I want, and the video I want is the screen recording video. So now I pull this down and we can watch the video. So you see now I have a video of it, and I can bring it into any kind of an editor like this one in CapCut or in iMovie or whatever else you have. Then it can be edited and you have a complete YouTube video of something that you want to show how to do on a computer. So I hope this helps you with screen recording on your Mac. Have a good day.